Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a pre-primed 10 by 20 inch canvas that I'm going to do a swipe on. And I like my gold. That was dazzling, excuse me, this is dazzling white. That was Decor Americana 24 karat gold. This is periwinkle. And water lily. I'm going to try and separate my areas of color somewhat. This is a Rhapsody Rose. Thank you for still staying open. I have Cerulean Blue, which is just barely open. I hope we get some out. And I've got Fandango that I love with Cerulean Blue. Got Red Orange, which reminds me I want to pull out some jasmine. And maybe a little orange crush for that. Won't hurt anything. And I've got Satin Modern Masters Venetian Blue. Which I will remove while I look for the jasmine, which is right here. I kind of wanted some yellow. But I think this yellow orange that I love, that's custom by me, will be okay. Now I want some Mead and Black down below. Using my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. This paint down below is just meant to make the paint above it flow more easily. I thought about using wet paper towel technique for swiping, but I'm gonna try my tools, my acetate swipe tools first. Put this in the water bucket. Pull out some Amsterdam White and Australian Floetrol cell activator. I want to try a double dip. I might be sorry I wasted any paint, but alright, so I've got a desire to put gold all the way across the top of this. And then I might let it run a little. It's not moving as fast as I'd like it to. So let's give this a try. I've got a broken. It's time to replace my swipe tool. And I need another scrape dish, and I had it just a moment ago. There it is. Okay, I've got a lot of white in there, and I want to blow it out some. I had nice cells, but I had this other idea in my head. I may tip this. Sorry I'm so quiet. Now, this is a dragon I was hoping to make. I'm not sure how it's going, so I'm just going to keep looking for a skewer or maybe even a Q-tip with a hardened paintball on the end. Wasn't sure how that was going to work. But it's kind of cool. I'd rather have a paintball skewer. Got some cool cells. Well, it's funky and psychedelic, but it's a dragon. I think I need a little bit of white. I could always do this tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked, or you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.